Ian, a neighbour of mine, just got excited the other day. He said, look, come and have a look at this. There's something his father got from World War II. It's a lovely little timber box. I note the Japanese characters on the lid. You open up, what's inside? It looks to me like a bit of ornate gear, apparently used during World War II in the field. Would you believe it's a tab and die set? Very nicely made, and you'll see the individual taps. I don't think these have ever been used. This is a collection of the dies held in this handle. And just to see if it worked, they're all different sizes, as you can see there. They're actually held in place by a thumb screw at this end. So you select the dies that you want. I thought we'd give it a bit of a test. Here's a few spare ones in the box. Just beautiful. It rides on the slides on the side of it, the V grooves right in there. So we've set one up in the vise, just use a little bit of brass. This is how it works. Quite simple. Beautiful action. Don't think it's ever been used, so you just have a look, see what we can do here. You get an idea of the motion, just very straightforward. And you hear just the slightest bit of a crunch, and we focus on there. See if we can focus on the finished result. It's beautiful. Now, if you're working down a very long thread like that, basically you can undo the clamp and it releases. It just allows the two dies to spread apart. It allows you to withdraw the die. Now you'll notice there's a square hole there. Clearly that's not a die, but it is a means by which the taps are driven. So that piece becomes your tap handle. How beautiful is that? I really appreciate it if anybody could let us know some of the history of these. It's a beautiful box. Maybe that's a clue on the front. I have done a search on this, but haven't been able to find where it was made or any history about it. So anybody who knows it, give us a call.